Welcome back to the Mastering Excel series. In this video, we're delving into the powerful Hlookup function. Just as VLOOKUP handles vertical data lookup, Hlookup takes charge horizontally for various Excel tasks. Let's dive into how it works. I have a specific video on VLOOKUP. You can check it from my channel. Hlookup, or horizontal lookup, allows you to search for a value in the first row of a dataset and retrieve a corresponding value from another row in the same column. Today, we'll explore how to use Hlookup with a practical example. Here is the dataset with employee information. Each employee's name is listed in the first row, and their department, salary, and hire date follow in subsequent rows. Now, let's say we want to find out the salary of specific employees. Here's how you can use the Hlookup formula to find David Lee's salary. Equals, type Hlookup, bracket open, select the lookup value, comma, select the table range. It is crucial to be precise when selecting this range. Since we are searching for salary based on the employee name, we should choose the range starting from the employee name. Additionally, in the Hlookup formula, absolute references are utilized with $signs, comma, row index number. Since salary is in the third row, we will enter 3, comma, we want the exact match, so enter false and close the brackets. Hit the enter. Using similar formulas, you can find the hire date of specific employees. And there you have it. The Hlookup formula helps us quickly find specific information horizontally in our dataset. However, it is crucial to understand the limitations of Hlookup. Hlookup can only search for values below the specified lookup row. For example, if we want to search for an employee's name based on their salary or hire date, Hlookup wouldn't be suitable. It's restricted to searching downwards from the specified lookup row. Additionally, Hlookup requires an exact match between the lookup value and the values in the lookup row. If there's no exact match, Hlookup will return an error or an incorrect result. Furthermore, Hlookup only finds the first match. If the lookup row contains duplicate values, Hlookup will only return data from the first occurrence. This can be misleading if you need data from a later matching row. Despite these limitations, Hlookup remains an essential tool in Excel for data analysis tasks. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.